Meet Joe. Joe's a great engineer. He takes pride in his work and likes to give good service, but he has a huge workload. People are complaining about his long lead times. Joe's friend Bert tells him about the Mark3D website, and he learns about 3D printing for engineers. Joe explains to his manager Dan about printing stronger. They both agree it has a very fast return on investment. Later, Joe gets an emergency call from the factory. An important machine has broken down. Last time this happened, production was stopped for days waiting for spares. Joe believes he can fix it with a strong printed part, and Dan approves the purchase of a machine. The new printer arrives quickly. Max from Mark3D and Joe print the part from carbon fibre. The 3D printed part is very strong. It's fitted to the machine and production begins immediately. Joe's a happy man, and so is Dan. Joe now prints tough and used parts, jigs, fixtures, tooling and many other items. Joe's not behind with his work anymore and people are getting their parts on time. If you're an engineer who wants to print stronger, contact Mark3D.